Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your long drain hose. The reason why you might have to do this is because you already have a drain hose but it's too short to reach to your drainage area, or because your drain hose is damaged. For this repair, you'll need a pair of pliers and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer here. It's a KitchenAid, and this is what we're going to use for our repairs. Keep in mind yours might be a little bit different at home, but the same techniques should still apply. Now we're going to grab a pair of channel locks and we're going to remove the water hoses. Make sure before removing the water hoses that you do turn off the water, and when you take the water hoses off, just keep in mind there might be some water still in the lines. We're going to turn our washer around. Alright, so now I'm going to grab a pair of pliers, pinch that clamp, move it up, and then pull the drain hose right off. There we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement longer drain hose. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Now on our long drain hose, the first thing we're going to do is get our clamp, and we're going to put that down here and rest it on the bottom of the tube there. Now we're going to get our U-shaped tube. We're going to screw that down. There we go. And now we'll get a clamp again, move that back up, and that'll hold that on there so it's nice and secure. The next thing we're going to do is remove the clamp from our old hose, and then we can put it on our new hose. So now we're going to move the clamp all the way up as far as we can, and then we're going to put our hose right on the connection here. And once that's on there, as far as you can push it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pinch the clamp again and move it down on the drain hose so that it is on the hose and on the connection, making a nice tight seal so that no leaks will occur. So now we're just going to check, and the clamp's on there nice and tight. So we can take our long hose now, just set that up here. And now we're going to screw our water hoses back on. Make sure you've got your hot going to your hot and your cold going to your cold. On this model, it's labeled C and H. Once you got that screwed on nice and tight, grab your channel locks and tighten it the rest of the way. And we'll do the same thing for the other one. Alright. And then we can turn our washer back around, hook everything back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.